Gee, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks. It's nice to see you today.
Nice to see you too. It's been a while.
Yeah, where have you been?
I was busy with school and exams.
Oh, same here. Exams were really stressful.
I know, but now it's over and I feel relaxed.
So, how did your exams go?
I think I did okay. Math was a bit difficult.
Yes, math was hard for me too.
Which subject was easy for you?
English was easy. I enjoy it a lot.
That's good. I want to improve my English speaking.
Don't worry, you're doing well. We can practice together.
That's a great idea. Practice makes perfect.
By the way, what did you do yesterday?
I stayed at home and watched a movie.
Oh, really? What movie did you watch?
I watched an action movie. It was very exciting.
Nice. I love action movies.
What about you? What did you do yesterday?
I went out with my family. We had dinner at a restaurant.
That sounds fun. What did you eat?
I ate rice and chicken. It was delicious.
Now I'm getting hungry.
Haha, let's get something to eat later.
Sure, that's a good plan.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like playing football and listening to music.
That's cool. I like reading books and watching videos.
What kind of books do you read?
I read storybooks. And sometimes educational books.
That's great. Reading helps improve English too.
Exactly. Do you use English every day?
Not really, but I want to start.
You should. Even small practice helps a lot.
You're right. From today, I will practice more.
Good. We can speak English together every day.
Yes, let's do that.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm planning to relax and maybe visit a friend.
That sounds nice. I might go to the park.
The park is a good place to relax.
Yes, and it's peaceful there.
Maybe I can join you.
Sure, that would be great.
Okay, let's meet on Saturday morning.
Perfect. What time?
Let's meet at 9 o'clock a.m.
Sounds good.
All right, I have to go now.
Okay, take care.
You too. See you soon.
See you. Bye.
Bye.